Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the bearish event today, not only just because the price, is just basically getting straight down right now, but the big bearish event that occurred was the price breaking down below what looked like it could have been a solid area of support and maybe a bottom forming earlier on in the day, which was this area right up here around the 343 mark. So in fact, let's do this just to offer up context. So that's what the chart looked like at one point. Was doing a great job of just going sideways, going sideways, going sideways. So it made, nothing's guaranteed, but it made rational sense to be saying, hey, you know what? Maybe some sort of bottom is finally forming. But that was just not the case as the price just broke down through there and continued to move further and further downwards. And that also brings about our first key update here. And this update is just based on a foundation rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 343 is now going to be that main area of resistance. So if the price does try to consolidate out and work its way back upwards, that's where the big question mark now resides. Is not necessarily can the price get back up to 343. The more important question is can the price get up above it and stay up above it. So keep a close eye on that. If the price can do that, then the next key area of resistance you'd want to keep an eye on is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which currently valued at, we'll just call it the 351 mark. As far as next potential areas of support are concerned, going to have to squeeze down the chart here quite a bit because as you're seeing here, it has been a very, very long time since the price has been down this low. I mean, we were talking about multiple months. So next key area of support now to keep a close eye on moving forward, going to be right there around that gap close location of $325. But as of now, I don't want to say free fall mode. That's a little bit too dramatic. But yeah, the bears are definitely continuing to take hold of the momentum here. But we'll see what next week has to offer. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.